Here are 4 garden scraps that you can use to start your garden today. We have ginger, garlic cloves, green onions, and celery. These 4 items can be used to start your garden today. With green onions, the only thing we're going to do is cut the green tops off, and we're going to plant the bottoms where we see the roots. You can use this part to go ahead and cook with. These are the edible parts, and we're going to plant this bottom half. So what we do is go ahead and just simply cut the bottom. You'll see the white part. We're going to cut that. And this is going to be the part that you'll plant. All right. Of course, these we want to go ahead and saute or top off with a good tasty meal. With our celery, we're going to cut the bottom half, and this is going to be the part that we plant. And of course, you can go ahead and eat the top part of that. So we'll take this. This is the part that we're going to plant, and you can do this 2 ways. You can put this inside of water, immerse just this part in a little bit of water or a damp paper towel, set it on top of that, and you'll start seeing the shoots come up. But what I'm going to do is plant it directly into the soil. Ginger is a rhizome and not a root. So what we'll do is take this rhizome and we'll lay it in the soil. Ginger grows horizontally, so it doesn't need a lot of depth. Now what you do when you're going to the store, ideally you're looking for this little node here. There's one there that's starting to grow, and there's a little one right there that's starting to grow. That's ideal for planting. May not be that great for eating, but it is ideal for planting. So we will take a little small area, lay it down, cover it up with a little soil. Never pat your soil, just lightly cover it up, water, and watch the magic happen.